In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace Serp belt on a Nissan Frontier with a 4.0 liter with AC. Remove the airbox hose and lid to access the area. So we're going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor connector. Squeeze that tab and lift up. And then you're going to have to take this tab out of the way because you want to take that harness out of the airbox. Just take a pair of pliers or something and squeeze those little plastic ears and pull that harness right through. Undo the two tabs that hold the air lid to the bottom box. You can actually, if you want to, pull that right up like that. Now we're going to follow the air tube right over to that throttle body, and you have two clamps holding that down, 8mm or a flathead screwdriver. Loosen them up. So now we're going to take this PC hose right off, PCV, pair of pliers, grab the clamp, push that clamp away. You can use the same pliers to just kind of wiggle that hose. Disconnect it. Now we have two screws up here taking this cover so we can access the other ones. 10mm socket, take that engine cover off. Take those two screws out and just lift it up. There's two rubber bushings holding it down after you take the bolts out. You have two more bolts right here holding this air tube down to that bracket, 10mm socket. Now we can just grab that and wiggle it right off the throttle body. Now we can take the airbox, spin it up, and you'll see the little vent tube right here with a nice little clip on there. Squeeze that, push that through, take that right out. Set that aside. Now we can take that whole air cover right out of the way. Now with a 3/8 ratchet or a Serp belt tool, we're going to loosen the belt tension, push that tensioner counterclockwise, and slide it off the pulleys. Take your ratchet back off, take the belt out. And discard it. So now we're going to start our new belt. Bring it down around the harmonic balancer. Loop it there. AC pulley around the fan clutch. Okay, so I'm just gonna nice and tight right there. I'm going to loop it down over the alternator and the power steering pulley. Make sure it's all in the grooves all the way around. Check your AC and your crank again. Now with your 3/8 ratchet, I'm going to put the counterclockwise pressure on it again, and then slide your Serp belt up and over that idler pulley. Double check your pulleys, make sure it's all seated properly, then start your vehicle, run it for like 2 minutes, shut it off, and recheck the routing, make sure it stayed in place. Now we're going to put our air box back in, and you'll see the 3 tabs right here, 1, 2, and 3, and the 3 tabs are on the air cover. I'm going to slide those right in. Let them fall into place. You'll know they're in place because of the way the seat, it'll seat up here. You won't be able to get those clamps on. Just like that. Remount that vent hose on that little tab. Let it push down in. So while you're putting the throttle body hose on, the air hose, make sure you lift it up enough to get these 2 mounting screws cleared. And then push. And there we go. You'll feel them fall right into place. Now we can grab that breather hose, put that right on, and our mass airflow sensor connector. Don't forget the mounting clip. All right, let's get a pair of pliers, 10mm socket. Pair of pliers, I'm going to put the clamp back on that breather hose, lining it up to where it used to sit. 10mm socket, I'm going to snug down on the mounting bracket. 2 screws. And then over here, we're going to tighten up our hose on the throttle body, and that's an 8mm socket or flathead screwdriver. Making sure it's nice and snug. Tighten up on those clamps. Now we can put the engine cover on. Make sure you put the rubber bushings on top of the mounting studs and push down on it. Just like that. The push. And then you have the 2 mounting bolts. That's a 10mm socket. And then you'll be good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.